Combo brows. In this video, I will show you just an illustration on how we do our combo brows. First of all, I'm going to draw the shape of the brows as usual with a wax pencil. And when you have the shape down, we're going to do pixie brows ombre powder technique. I'm going over the frame and then I will fill in the shape with powder with our PMU machine. And when you are already filled in the brows with PMU powder, have your client wait until this layer is healed. And when you see them again at 5 to 6 weeks, this is when you will apply microblading hair strokes on the brows. And when you do your microblading hair strokes, you should try to be as precise as possible. I don't go more than 2 passes on each stroke, and my retention stay very good. Most of the time, my 1-year annual touch-up client comes back, their strokes are still in place. This technique will ensure maximum retention for both, but at the same time, minimizing trauma to the skin.